This is where a battery charger, also known as a battery tender, comes into action. All you have to do is unhook the battery by removing it from the connecting wires and then connecting it to the charger. Some battery chargers can be used without having to unhook the battery from its location in the ATV. They are quite easy to use and don't require any expertise. It is recommended to charge the battery slowly because it helps extend the lifespan of your battery. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best ATV battery charger. So let's get started. Number 1. Noco Genius 2. The Noco Genius 2 charger stands above the rest with its varying range amperage depending on which vehicle you use. It is one of the best battery maintainer available in stores. For added convenience, the battery charger is water resistant that lets you charge your ATV in wet conditions as long as the wetness doesn't reach the connection. Thanks to its overcharge protection, you don't have to worry about ruining your ATV while you simply wanted to use it for your holidays. Although it may be bulky in appearance, it is known to be one of the lightest you can ever find out there. This aids portability and ensures you don't have to struggle with towing ATVs in the middle of the road. Number 2. Battery Tender 12V. The Battery Tender Junior, manufactured by Deltran, has managed to satisfy thousands of its customers by ensuring their ATVs have what it needs at the right time, right place. It is one of the most popular models of the brand, so it's definitely worth checking out while you are looking for the best battery charger and battery maintainer for ATV. The unit weighs 21 pounds and is armed with alligator clips so that you have everything all in one place. One of the many reasons why people prefer to go for Tender Junior is because of its high performance and affordability that fits in the wallet of every ATV rider. The product offers Wi-Fi connectivity, which is a great feature to have in a charger. Number 3. Foval Automatic Trickle Battery Charger. This incredible spark-proof Foval Automatic Trickle Battery Charger is everything you may want to charge any vehicle, including cars, motorcycle. It has a complete 4-step fully automatic charging program that includes initialization, bulk charge, absorption mode, and finally, float mode to take care of your ATV with no hassle whatsoever. It is highly lightweight to carry and maintain, so you don't have to struggle with portability and ease of use. This battery maintainer has intuitive LED indications which offers state of charge feedback even during the maintenance mode and is to be your go-to tool to fix your ATV. Perfect for lead-acid battery. It can also charge any 12-volt battery. Number 4. CTEK 206 MXS. Never underestimate the uniqueness of the fully automatic CTEK MXS 5.0 battery charger and maintainer that keeps your battery in top-notch condition at all times. The brand is known for offering the fastest and effective battery charger that you can find to get next-level performance. Unlike many other chargers, the 8-step approach can keep your battery care in check and uses its splash and dust-proof features to not only improve the performance of your ATV but remains in good condition as well. It is armed with circuit-proof and non-sparking features, which is ideal for making safe use of the battery, all without compromising the effectiveness of the charger. Number 5. Ampeak Pro 2000W Power Inverter. This Ampeak Smart Fast Charger battery maintainer finds the right charging rate if you don't run the risk of overcharge and ruining your precious ATV. It can be used for all kinds of batteries ranging from 12V lead-acid batteries like AGM and GEL. Not just that, with this smart battery charger, be assured to get the optimal function of both your charger and ATV without compromising with the quality of the performance. As most people struggle with battery problems during winters, it is specifically designed to be used in the harsh weather of winter and offers perfect charging at all times.